Hello students, again welcome back to my channel City. Hope you all are fine. So in this video we are going to discuss about the most requested video, that is about 28th August 2021 real IELTS test complete prediction. So as you know, it's an academic only test date and the last test date of this month. And IDP is the only exam conducting body in India, and this prediction is applicable for British Council exams too. So first we'll start with the listening module as usual. So in part 1 you will hear a telephonic conversation between two speakers, and it's a social telephonic conversation, and you will get the questions in the form of fill up type. That will be a not completion, that also one word and or a number. So try to read out the instruction carefully. You can use one word or a number or both in together. So this part will be an easy one. Moving on to part 2, again you will get a conversation between two speakers, and this time there is a chance to get short MCQs with the three options and also selection of letter type of question. That means for one question they will give five options and you want to select any two out of that, and you will get two set of these type of question, and this will be easy to moderate level. And moving on to part 3, you will hear an academic discussion between 3 to 4 students, and this time there is a chance to get large MCQs again with three options, and along with that match the information type of question. The options will be given in a box and you want to cross accordingly, and this part will be in moderate level. And regarding part 4, you will hear a monologue. It's an academic lecture, and the question type will be fill up type of question again. That will be in the form of a not completion, that also one word only. So this part also will be an easy one. So overall the listening module will be easy to moderate level. And regarding the pace, you can expect little bit fast audio in part 3 and 4. So try to adjust your background speed while you're practicing. And regarding the reading module, we'll start off from passage 1. You can expect true, false, not given type of question, and also fill up type of question. That will be a short not completion, that also one word only. So this passage 1 will be an easy one. Moving on to passage 2, you can expect MCQs along with four options. Then fill up type of question, they will give the options in a box and you can cross accordingly. You need to write A, B, C, D like that to the options. Then along with that, yes, no, not given type of question. So this passage will be easy to moderate level. And regarding the passage 3, you can expect match the information type of question. They will ask you in the form of which paragraph contain this information, and along with that selection of letters. That means from the option you want to select any two. They will give five options and you want to select any two accordingly. And true, false, not given type of question again. So this passage will be in moderate level. So overall your reading module will be in moderate level, and you can expect one passage related to the universe or some scientific study and all. So try to practice with different materials and give preference to Cambridge materials. You will get same mode of questions. And other than that, you can visit the website like ieltsonlinetest.com, ieltsfever.com and all. You will get so many resources from that. So that's all about the reading module. So try to complete your listening and reading answers in block letters. That means capital letters. That also very important. Then regarding the writing module, in task 1, you can expect an infographic structure and you want to write a report with minimum 150 words. So this time you can expect pie charts, bar chart, table or the combination of any two, and also map. That will be a diachronic map, same place at a different time. So these four category you want to concentrate more on. So try to maintain proper structure, starting with the introduction by paraphrasing the question, overview with the general trends, and also body paragraph you can divide based on any particular parameter, and use proper cohesive devices and connectors. And you will get to the master classes for writing task 1 in our playlist, or you will get that in Facebook page for live. So you can just go through that to get more ideas related to the vocabulary, how to arrange the body paragraph and all in detail. So regarding the task 2, so this time there is a chance to get opinion type essay, discussion with opinion type essay, or else problem solution essay. So these three category you want to concentrate more on, and opinion type essay and all they will ask you in any different form. So you should know what all are the way of asking under each category. So try to maintain the proper structure also. So you will get more classes from our playlist. And regarding the essay topics, I will give you some topics here for morning slot and evening slot. Try to collect some points under this topic, and I will prepare one another video with the detailed questions under each topic. So the first topic is technologies. Any type of technologies they can ask for, like internet, computer, laptop, mobile phones, like communication technologies, information technologies and all. Then any type of media sources, that is radio, TV, social media platforms. Okay. Then government and economy, the usage of government fund, the role of government in different aspects. Then education sector, about online classes, offline classes, about educational system, tertiary level education, university students, related to the subject selection, influence of teachers, influence of this peer group and all. Then related to social or world issues, globalization, modernization, urbanization, related to material possession, materialism, overpopulation, unemployment related problems, or the gap between the rich and poor, or related to men and women versus. Okay, then next topic is transportation related to tourism also. Under transportation, they can ask about the public or private transportation or traffic congestion related problems. Then related to business or related to work and job, about part-time or full-time job, about the employee selection, related to the business firms and all. Then environmental related question, anything under pollution, animal species, extinction of species, anything related to this environment. Then the last topic is leisure activities. Any type of leisure activities they can ask for, about the sports, games, music, art related questions. So these all are the topics you want to be familiar with and try to collect some points. So as I told you before, I will prepare one another video with the detailed questions. And now also so many of them are asking about the Q cards. We already released the Q cards for August 2021. So you will get that from our playlist. I will provide the link in the description box. So that's all about this prediction. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned.